Yo, Joy, why don't we chat for a second? You down, we'll read records and you finally made it. But what if I told you I could get you more? All you gotta do is walk through that open door.
A door that looks open but it's always closed, trying to get me to leave that narrow world. What you got? A nice car and a load of cash. If I flip the script and rap some worldly trash?
Yeah, that's real cute, but it's not quite right. I just wanted you to finally see the light. I ain't talking about cussing all through your rap, but start rapping positive, that's where it's at. Instead of talking about God, just talk about life. You can reach more folks without using the name Christ.
See what you're saying, and that's a good thought, but when it's good, something that you brought.
Temptations running through my mind, even though it's not right, the wrong is hard to find. I'm trying to stay with that Jesus side, but Satan has some stuff that is catching my eye.
You almost had me going, had me thinking a minute, but ain't nothing good if God ain't up in it. So take your lame idea and get the stepping. Christ's side is the only one I'm representing.
Alright, you got me there, but check this out. I saw that guy asking you what you was about. He got a nice job and his own place. He ain't been caught up in catching the case. Why don't you call him and see what's up? He ain't exactly what you want, but he may be enough.
You right, and he was real cute. He looked finger licking good like some barbecue. I wonder what our wedding will be like. I hope his last name fits with my first right. He got enough money, but I'll have to work. It's okay that sometimes he don't come to church. I wonder how good he is in bed. What the world you done gone and got in my head? Whatever is pure and whatever is right, I think on these things for the rest of my life.
Temptations running through my mind, even though it's not right, the wrong is hard to find. I'm already with the Jesus side. I can't let the devil tempt my eye.
You done gone and lost your mind. You got me committing a spiritual crime.
I'm just helping you see life differently, the way it could be if you roll with me.
If I roll with you, I'll be rolling to hell, and no way I'm letting the devil prevail. I smell something that stinks and I know it's you. Your neck is about to meet the bottom of my shoe. I'm new cause Jesus Christ lives in me. God give me forgiveness and help me to see the tricks of the devil.